So we're starting our unit, which is geometry. Before we start geometry, we're going to have to kind of go back and do a few things. One of them is conversion, right? Understanding how to convert, because a lot of time in geometry or in real life, right? When you take measurements, sometimes you take them in inches and you go to the store and then they sell them in meters, right? I can't buy the same thing right now. I have to convert between either meter to inches or inches to meters. So we need to know how to do that. We need to know how to convert. So this way we're able to do it in real life. I know and I understand that now we have computers and then we have phones and the phones will do it for us. But at the same time, it's good to know because sometimes you can't use that app or that thing to convert from the unit you have to the unit that you want. Okay, so it's good to know. So that's what we're going to start with. We're going to also review a few terminologies that we're going to need. Okay, before we move on. So for this unit, you're going to need two formula sheets. The first formula sheet, that's right at the beginning of your booklet, which is the conversion formula sheet. Yeah, and then you also need the formula sheet that has the area, the perimeter, and the volume and the surface area, which is, I think, the third one, is it? Yeah. Second one? Second page. Okay? And that one you would need both the front and the back. Okay, so these are the formula sheets that you would need for this sheet. So keep this formula sheet, keep them. Okay? Now, let's start. So we have, you guys know the difference that we have imperial units and metric units, right? So obviously they don't like things, the American, so they hear that, they're gonna honk me, but they like to use different things, right? They don't like their units to be the same as the other, the rest of the world, right? So they had to come up with a different version of it. So we have the metric system, so it's the one that we use in Canada, but we also have the imperial, which is the one that is used in the States, but also we're getting used to using the imperial as well here in Canada. Okay, so in order to go from imperial units to metric units or vice versa, you need to convert. Okay, and then you have to use the conversion factors to convert between the two units. Now, what is perimeter? Sorry? The outside of the shape, right? So it's basically what's surrounding that shape. So the distance or the measurement that surrounds the shape, right? So if you're talking about fencing, we're talking about perimeter. We fence around the shape, right? We don't fence inside the shape. So perimeter is the measurement around the unit. I'm just going to give you the exact word that I want to use. So when we're talking about a distance of, let's say, a square or a rectangle, right? I'm talking about adding all the sides, right? So if I want to know what the perimeter is of this table, I'll just go and measure the sides, and then I add. Okay? Now, how about area? What does the area mean? It's the inside. It's the how much space is taking, right? So if I'm looking at this shape, for example, right? I'm looking at the area, so I'm looking at how many squares does it fit, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's an 8 centimeter squared area, right? Because it's filling this much space. Okay? So area of a figure is the number of square units needed to cover. I bet you know that, don't you? No, you don't?
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. I was thinking about dinner.
Well, dinner is that? What is that?
Sorry, yeah, I was thinking about a barbecue. I wanted to
Oh,
bring.
am I invited to your barbecue?
No, but can I borrow you for 2 seconds till you're from this teaching? Sorry, folks.